Hello, it's Lindy Roya, physical therapist and movement behavioral specialist. What do you think pain is? Where do you think it comes from? What do you think causes it? If you're somebody who experiences pain, what do you think specifically causes your pain? Do you have an idea? Is there something that somebody's told you or that you just believe about your pain? Maybe it's a structure, maybe it's an old surgery or an injury or something. You might be surprised to know that the latest research tells us that pain is not one particular specific event that tells our brain, hey, pay attention, we're in pain. Now that may be true in the initial onset, like when you cut yourself in the kitchen or you sprain an ankle, but after a short period of time as normal healing occurs, pain isn't like that. Pain is actually not a signal that is sent to the brain about the state of things. Pain is something that is partly sent to the brain from the body, but a lot of pain is generated by past activities and memories and belief systems and whether you're under a little bit of distress or not. Pain is actually something that the brain produces based on a whole bunch of information, kind of like making a really complicated soup. And pain is something that the brain produces more as an opinion. Hey, you need to pay attention to this. The longer you've been experiencing pain, the more your experience of pain is unreliable as a way to measure what kind of harm you're doing to yourself or what kind of damage exists. If you want to learn more about how you can influence your own experience of pain and have a greater influence over it so that you can really take control of your life, come to my workshop, Reframing Pain, in which you'll learn more about how pain really occurs and what it is, and more importantly, learn techniques of how you can change your relationship to pain and experience it in a way that helps you move forward and live your life the way you choose. Come and join me. I look forward to seeing you.